So the family is staying here at the Coast Victoria Hotel and Marina. It's about like a 5-minute, 10-minute walk from the inner harbor. So let me show you around our room. As usual, we'll start over in the bathroom. And here we have, you know, pretty typical thing. So you have the sink and facial tissue. All of their amenity stuff come in refillable bottles, so like the lotion and the soap, as well as like the shampoo and conditioner. Over in the shower area here, so you also get the body wash and such. Pretty typical kind of shower. But what's special is the toilet comes
very warm.
It's very warm. So the seat warms up when you sit on it, and you also notice that it is a bidet. So you can see all the different settings there for rear, soft rear, front, dryer, different pressure, different position, different temperatures.
And it even splashes your bum to clean.
And it splashes your bum to clean. So then, like, if I put a little bit of weight on it, you can hear it stir it up. Maybe?
Oh, only
maybe
with your
not.
bum.
Oh, maybe only with your bum.
Yeah.
So, like, yeah, the seat warms up when you sit on it. So let's go back into the main area here. So there's an open closet
Come over.
for you to, you know, hang your jackets, extra blanket, iron. There's a kettle here if you don't want to use the coffee maker to make hot water. There's also a kettle, ironing board,
Come in.
slippers. So the room that we got has 2 beds. I guess they're 2 doubles, but I think it's also available with either a queen or a king if you just want the 1 bed. So we have the 2 beds here, 3-drawer dresser, microwave, quite a large LG TV, as well as, you know, the usual kind of stuff here. So you got the coffee maker with Starbucks coffee, Tazo tea. There is no ice maker on our floor, so I had to go to the other floor to get the ice, but there is an ice machine. Comes with a fridge, stocked with nothing, so this is all of our own stuff. And then there is 1 desk, kind of like a workstation kind of area, couple of power outlets in the lamp. As you can see, I've had that all connected up. The room phone, little side table, luggage rack, armchair, and that's about it. So the room that we're in has a partial harbor view. You can pay more to have the full harbor, or a little bit less to have just the regular city. So we're just gonna on an angle here. Let me see if I can open this up. So that's the indoor-outdoor pool there. And this is the marina's just kind of around the corner there. You can see the Johnson Street Bridge there in the distance. And then Fisherman's Wharf is just around this way in downtown Inner Harbor. It's kind of that way. You can see the city side here. The cherry blossoms are in bloom. Okay, let me close that up. And yeah, so I guess that's pretty much the room. Is there anything else that you wanted to say, Yadi?
I'm just going to show you my cuddle buddy. Come help me. Here's my little cuddle buddy, Greenie, and she's a jaguar. And so that when you have to press 4 numbers, and then gotta press something so it can close up. And my daddy computer Michael is inside there somewhere.
So yeah, there is an in-room safe in the night table here. So there's also the alarm clock and the TV remote. So let me unlock the safe here. And as you can see, there is a tiny little light inside to give you a little bit of space, but my Lenovo Chromebook fits in there just fine. So actually, it's a pretty roomy safe. So good for a little bit of peace of mind. So I'll close that up. And that's pretty much it. So
One more thing.
Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, do all the like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll have another video and probably a couple other blog posts talking about our trip here to Victoria, BC. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Peace.
You missed right here.